In this video, I'm reviewing the baseCamp mask. As for Click and Play, welcome to my bomb shelter basement workshop where the title of this video was complete clickbait. The baseCamp mask is actually really good, but it doesn't work that well if you've got a big face. Let's start at the beginning because I have a very tiny workshop in my basement in a house in Lancashire that has terrible ventilation. So I should really be wearing a mask in every single project that I do. And when I started doing videos a lot more regularly, you guys pointed this out a lot, so I bought this rhino mask, but it was always really uncomfortable to wear. It always filled with moisture very quickly. Loads of sawdust got inside the nooks and crannies all the time, so I just didn't wear it. But then I started seeing loads of woodwork creators posting about the baseCamp mask and about how good it was, so 6 months ago, I purchased one. So let's go back in time to me opening it up. I have a massive head, so let's see how well it fits. Okay, not sure if I've got that right. Come on. Ah, there we go. All right. No, I've not done that well at all. Right, so this is supposed to go high up, and then that goes around there. Not that comfortable. I might have it wrong. I'm going to do some adjustments. So if I put it all the way under my chin, it's almost slipping off my nose. Put it to the top of my nose, it's not covering my chin. The size guide does say suitable for 4.3 to 5.5. I've got to measure my chin. Just over on 6. I don't remember seeing any sizes on the website. Went through every single product. They've all got regular sizes, nothing bigger than that. So if you have a big head, proportionate to your body, if you're a big person who has a big face, this might not be the mask for you. I'm just gonna have another go, see if I can adjust it, make it more comfortable somehow. I can just about get it sitting right. Like it's just covering the bottom of my chin and it's just on the bridge of my nose so it's not hurting. I'm gonna wear it, give it a few tests, see if it loosens up, see if it starts to feel more comfortable. Glasses fogging up. Here's another little test for the baseCamp mask because even though it is material and breathable, I find this fills up with moisture a lot. Now, that's not nearly as much moisture as my plastic one fills up with, and it could be my basement. I have mentioned there's a lot of damp down here, but I'm gonna stick this mask on and set a timer running and then take it off when it's dripping with water. 7:35. 8:10. Not sure if you can see all the water in there. There's plenty of it dripping off my nose as well. Because it's material, you can actually just throw it in the wash as well, and it's really easy to change the filters. You just twist this little thing here, pop it out. It even says on the cap which way to go. Oh, I dropped it. Pull the filter out, you can see that one is dead. And then put the new one in. I'm actually gonna throw this in the wash before I do. Glasses fogging up again. Glasses are fogged up again. So far, the baseCamp mask doesn't look like it's doing too well, but here's the thing. I carried on wearing it. Now, if you follow my channel, you don't often see my face when I'm actually doing the woodwork because the camera's normally pointed at the woodwork. But I've worn it in almost every single video since I purchased it. And because it was really comfortable to wear, but it wasn't working quite right, I decided to get in touch with baseCamp. And for a product that's quite cheap, their customer service was amazing. I was speaking to someone from one of their team and their responses came within 24 hours. We were talking about the sizes of the mask, and it turns out that my distance from chin to nose was 5mm bigger than is what is required for the mask. And without even asking, they instantly gave me a refund. For no reason at all, they just instantly did it. I did ask if they're gonna be making a bigger mask because I have been enjoying it, and they said a bigger mask isn't on the cards at the moment, unfortunately. Now, if you compare that to Rhino, who I thought was quite a big brand, I couldn't find their main website, which meant I couldn't talk to anyone about if they had a bigger mask. Now that I know sizing is an issue, I'm taking a closer look, and it does have an M on the front, which means medium. I tried searching for a large mask and it just didn't come up on Google at all. So in conclusion, I can see why a lot of people are raving about these things. If you're not a giant, then it probably does fit your face quite well, and it probably works just as good. But if you are blessed with the face of a horse, it's still probably going to be a lot better than the standard things that are on the market. So and at 20 quid, it's still worth giving a go. Which means my YouTube title is still accurate, because if you got a big face, it's not going to work properly. But I'm still going to be wearing it. So I will put a link to the baseCamp mask in my description. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not going to get paid anything for you clicking it. But I'm also going to put a link to the Rhino mask because it is actually a half decent mask, and I get paid if you click the link to this and buy it. Even though I've got an Amazon affiliate link on the Rhino mask, I just want to point out that I was not sponsored in any way by the baseCamp mask at all. This was my unfiltered review of it, and yeah, that's the end of the video. So thanks very much for watching. If you've got any tips, questions, or suggestions, stick them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.